In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get GoPuff promo code. So let's get started. GoPuff is a delivery company which delivers stuff around the world, okay? And you might be wondering, can we get a discount on that? Well, yes, you can. So what you have to do is go to your web browser and search up GoPuff promo code 2023. So once you have done that, just click search, and then you'll have to go on this first website which says Los Angeles Times, and you'll have to click on it. So as you guys can see, this is the logo and it says GoPuff promo code for August 2023, and it's August, so this is for these months and they're all updated. Alright, so the first one says GoPuff promo code $15 off your first 3 orders plus free shipping. Wow, that's a big discount. So to claim this, you'll have to click view coupon. So I'm gonna click view coupon, and that's the coupon LA15. So you can just copy and visit GoPuff and then use this code on checkout and you get the discount. Similarly, you can scroll down and see the other codes as well. So let's say this one, GoPuff promo code for new users, $30 off. Well, that's a big discount as well. So you can just click view coupon, and that's the coupon for $30 off. Well, if you have used the codes from this website or they don't work, you can always go to other websites as well. So you can just close this. You can go to the next website which says Wired. Go there, and then you can always use these. So let's say the first one, I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna wait, and that's the code Wired45. You get $15 off. So that's how promo codes work for GoPuff. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.